Hello, my dear students, grade 6. Welcome back to Time for English. I hope you are well and happy Ramadan. Today we are going to talk about Unit 9, Lesson 1-2, entitled Cities Around the World. Cities Around the World. First, we will take the conversation time. This is a conversation between a student from a school and a captain. Let's listen to the conversation. First, the student. Captain Marwa, we would like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions? Sure, go ahead. The student, how many female pilots work for your airline? Captain Marwa, I think 1/3 of the pilots are female. The student, do you fly abroad? Captain Marwa, yes, I have an overseas flight once a month. The student, do you fly the plane by yourself? Captain Marwa, no, I always have a co-pilot. The student, do you like being a pilot? Captain Marwa, yes, very much. The student, thanks for your time, Captain Marwa. Captain Marwa, my pleasure. My pleasure. Let's go to another point, which is new words. We will read the new words in this conversation. Number 1, interview. Interview. Newspaper. Newspaper. Female. Female. Pilot. Pilot. Abroad. Abroad. Overseas flight. Overseas flight. Co-pilot. Co-pilot. Now, let's take some important points in this conversation in language functions. First, polite requests. To do a polite request, we use could plus subject plus verb infinitive. For example, could we ask you a few questions? Could we ask you a few questions? Number 2, asking for countable nouns. How can we ask for countable nouns? We ask by how many plus countable noun. For example, how many female pilots work for your airline? Number 3, like plus verb plus ing. After the verb like, we use verb plus ing. For example, do you like being a pilot? Do you like being a pilot? Number 4, thanking. For thanking, or when you want to thank someone for something, we say, thanks for your time. Thanks for your time. Okay, let's go to lesson 2. Word time. Word time. In this lesson, we will know some important cities around the world. These cities are, or most of them are the capitals of their countries. Listen and repeat. Rome, Rome. Cairo, Cairo. Tokyo, Tokyo. London, London. Seoul, Seoul. New York City, New York City. Paris, Paris. Honolulu, Honolulu. San Francisco, San Francisco. Hong Kong, Hong Kong. These are 10 important cities around the world. As we know, Rome is in Italy, Cairo is in Egypt, Tokyo is in Japan, London in the UK, the United Kingdom, Seoul in South Korea, New York City in the United States of America, Paris is in France, Honolulu is in the United States of America, San Francisco is also in the United States of America, and Hong Kong is in Hong Kong. Now, let's ask about someone's city. When we want to know where someone is coming from, we say, where are you from? Where are you from? For example, where are you from? I am from Cairo. Where are you from? I am from Cairo. I hope you enjoyed these 2 lessons, and we promise that we give you the best in the next lessons. Thanks for listening, and I hope you good time.